Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting to the right control panels, so open Settings now and sign in as an administrator if needed. Once there, navigate to Apps or Default Apps depending on whether you run Windows 10 or Windows 11. This difference matters because menu names change. Make sure you identify Microsoft Edge in the list of installed browsers or default protocols so you can change associations. Do this immediately. It prevents Windows from treating Edge as the automatic handler for links and certain file types. Now change the defaults. Under Default Apps, click your preferred browser and assign it to HTTP, HTTPS, HTML, and HTML file types so links open elsewhere. Next, choose Defaults by protocol and locate Microsoft Edge and Mailto. Reassign these to another browser or supported app when possible. If the system forces Edge back, use the Reset button to clear defaults, then immediately reassign your chosen browser. These steps handle the main pathways Windows uses to auto-launch Edge for links and protocols. Finish by stopping Edge from running in the background and from auto-starting. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, and disable background activity for Edge, and remove it from pinned items and the Task Manager Startup tab. Once done, restart your PC and test links. Make sure your chosen browser handles them. If Edge still opens unexpectedly, check for browser extensions, run an antivirus scan for unwanted software, and inspect any enterprise policies. Those can force Edge behavior and will require admin removal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.